Hola Casa Bonita family! Today we're cooking Sancocho. This is the most traditional Colombian food. It's potato, cassava and plantain soup. Now, the only way you are gonna cook this delicious, rich and authentic soup is with Cheeky Foods mix for Sancocho and also with the Colombian Casa Bonita La Chamba black clay pot. Just opening a pack and cooking in an ancestral Colombian pot. A simple sofrito of onion, tomato and garlic. Oh, I love that smell. Next, let's brown the meat, letting the flavors develop naturally. Now let's add the Sancocho seasoning, rich, traditional, and full of heritage. Let's add now some water. And now the magic becomes simple. La Chamba clay pot locks in the flavor. Finally, I serve the Sancocho in La Chamba trays designed to retain the heat. Every detail feels intentional, every meal becomes memorable.